Hello, if you wonder how to charge your Xiaomi Poco X7, you basically can plug your phone using the Type-C cable. As you can see, I have the regular Type-C cable. You can use any Type-C cable and you can plug it to actually any source of power that you have. It might be your computer, it might be a power bank, and you can also use any charging brick, a charging adapter that you have, but it is recommended to use the let me see, on the back of the box you have from 10 watts to 45 watts, since this phone does support the fast charging feature. So it is recommended to use the 45 watts charging adapter, but it doesn't have to be the original Xiaomi charging adapter. I use my JBL from my from my Bluetooth speaker charging adapter, and it works. So yeah, basically that's how to do it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.